Welcome back. It is confirmed that Ponda Health Center was burning human body parts along with other unsegregated medical waste. Goa State Pollution Control Board's inspection after Prudent's expose on Ponda Sub-District Hospital stamped the investigation. Inspection report confirmed that Sub-District Hospital members were burning unsegregated biomedical waste including human parts.
Prudent's report on medical waste burning at Ponda Sub-District Hospital had exposed that all the medical waste was being openly and illegally burned in locality without segregation. This waste was being carried in ambulance usually used for carrying patients. Following expose, Pollution Control Board carried out inspection at burning site. They found they were burning unsegregated biomedical waste. Waste contained parts of human body. There is no deep burial pit for human body parts, and biomedical waste also contained municipal solid waste. Board directed the concerned officers from Ponda Health Center to stop burning of all medical bio waste and municipal solid waste immediately, segregate biomedical waste, install an autoclave for sterilization, and construct a deep burial pit of 2 meters depth. Board heard the concerned medical officers and directed them to implement all the above directions, and another inspection is scheduled shortly. Reporter Mahesh Khadi for Prudent.
IFFI 2013 will open with screening of Zach comedy film Dosani. American actor Suzanne Sarandon will be the chief guest, while Iranian film director Majidi will be the guest of honor for the event. Ace singer Asha Bhosle and evergreen actress Rekha will also grace IFFI 2013.
Czech comedy film Dosanjini, directed by renowned Czech director Jiří Mengel, has been selected as the opening film for IFFI 2013. While the Oscar-winning American actress Suzanne Sarandon will be the chief guest, Iranian film director Majidi will be the guest of honor.
The opening film would be by Jiří Mengel, who is getting the Lifetime Achievement Award. The Czech actor-director. So Don Sanjani is his film, the opening film. Susan Sarandon from the United States. So she would be the chief guest. Besides Susan, we would also be having Majidi as the guest of honor from Iran.
Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Manish Tiwari, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, along with other stakeholders of the event, held a meeting in Panji on Friday. Manish Tiwari said that films from Northeast India will be promoted for this year's IFFI.
There are 650 foreign films. Those are the total number of entries that we have received. The films which are going to be screened are 260 in number. From a national perspective, we are showcasing the culture of the northeastern part of India, and this is a unique endeavor to see that culturally, emotionally, spiritually and physically the art, culture, music, literature of the northeast gets mainstreamed into the rest of the country.
Organizers are confirming presence of noted singer Asha Bhosle and evergreen actress Rekha's date for IFFI. Inaugural film director Jiří Mengel will be honored with Lifetime Achievement Award. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video, journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Horticulture Department will hold Farmers Mela in all 11 talukas in Goa for 11 days. The Mela will be organized from 21st October to 5th November. Farmers will be made aware about the facilities and the schemes. Government has planned to allot 50 gadas to the ST community free of cost. Aim of the Mela is to motivate Goan farmers and increase production of local vegetables in Goa.
या वर्सा हो मेळावो घेवप आनी हे सगळें करप हेच्या फाटसून 30 टना वचून म्हाजें ध्येय आहा 300 टनार व्हरप. 300 टन मेरेन खंयच्याय परिस्थितीन जावपाकूच जाय. हांवें आमच्या ऑफिसरांकूय सांगलेलें आहा, पूण लोक रेडी जावपाक जाय. लोक रेडी जातले ना. एक हांव तुका वार्षिक पोरूच्या हिशोबान जो 30 टन येयल्लो पळय आमकां, तो अंदू सोमतो आमी 300 टनाचेर मेरेन येवपाक जाय. बांय मारपाची फॅसिलिटीज 75% सबसिडी आहा. फेन्सिंगाची, सोलर फेन्सिंगाची फॅसिलिटीज आहा. ह्यो ज्यो फॅसिलिटीज आहा, ह्यो ज्यो स्किमी आहा सरकाराच्यो, ह्यो थोड्यो आतां आमी केल्ल्या, थोड्यो खूब पयलींसून आहा. तर अश्यो ज्यो स्किमी आसता ह्यो आमच्या खंय तरी कागदा मेरेनूच उरता हे आमी खुबश्या जाणांक हाचो अनुभवूय आहा. ह्यो लोकां मेरेन पावच्यो ह्यात खास एक हो हेतू धरून आमी हे तालुक्या लेवलाचेर मेळावे दवरलेले आसा. 12 तरेची भाजी आसतली. 12 तरेचे भाजयेन आमची भेंडी, चिटकी, ग्रीन चिली, कोकण दुदी, ब्रिंजॉल, जिंजर, वाल, क्युकेंबर, तेंडली, दुदी, घोसाळी आनी सुरण ही 12 तरेची बियां आमी तांकां फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट दितले. तशेंच तांकां लागणारें सारें हें आमी फ्री दितले. म्हूण तेजे पासत प्रत्येक शेतकारा कडेन कमीच कमी 500 स्क्वेअर मिटर जागो आसप गरजेचो आसा. एसटी समाजाक लागून आमी 50 स्पेशल गाडे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट जेचे आमी चार्जीस घेवचे ना, डिपॉझीट घेवचे ना, कांय ना, पूण हे एसटी समाजाक लागून रिजर्व आसा.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.